Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome. So guys, I am really excited about today's video. So I saw that Danny De Freitas was doing his mystery bundles again, which I'm so excited. I keep trying to get
tweezers as well, but every time I click on it, they're always sold out.
So I went over to Danny's channel. I've been watching Danny for a long while. I will put his video and link everything down below. But yeah, I saw that his bundles were up again, and he does three different sets of bundles. So you get the £25 one, which I think you get about 4 or 5 items in there. You get the £50 bundle, which you get about 8 skincare makeup products / makeup products. And I think the other one is £120 he does. And I think you get about 16 or 18 products in that. So also at the end of the mystery bag, I'm going to be showing you what I picked up from Beauty Bay. So make sure that you stay tuned and to the end so that you can see what I picked up from Beauty Bay. So I bought the 51. I'm literally about to go out the door because I'm meeting my sister today in town, and the postman knocked and my parcel arrived. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to tell my sister I'm going to be a little bit late this morning because I seriously cannot wait to open this package. So I've seen, I think, I can't remember one of the girls' names, but I'll put it down below. I'll put a name on screen because I can't remember it off the top of my head. But I've seen 2 people do these unboxings and they've been absolutely unreal. So I think Danny says in the £50 bundles, it's between £150 to £200 worth of product. So basically Danny gets a lot of PR sent to him from various companies, and yeah, so he basically can't use it all. So what he does is he puts them in these 3 different bundle bags, what you can buy, and all the money goes to charity, which I think is absolutely amazing. I decided to pick up the £50 one because I thought, you know what, I've not had a treat for a while, so I'm going to treat myself. And yeah, so without further ado and me babbling on, grab yourself a cup of tea and a blanket and let's get straight to it. So obviously on this side is my address, so I'm not going to show that. I'm going to open it up and we're going to see what's inside together. Just got myself some scissors, and this has been really good packed. Got so much sellotape on. It's like opening a parcel from my mum. She puts loads of bloody sellotape on. So I'm trying not to look in the bag. So, oh my God, this smells amazing. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what's in there. And I'm just gonna quickly, oh my God, we've got a Sigma powder. Wow. I will put all the prices for these products on screen as well. Oh my God, we've got a Sigma beauty. So this is the Sigma Beaming Glow Illuminating Powder in Fairy Dust. This is Sally Henson. Oh my God, it's beautiful. So you got like a purpley, like a blue shift purple nail polish and a silver. Wow, that is beautiful. So it's a nail coat and top coat nail polish. A Kevin Aquan palette. Are you kidding me? Pink Sand. Is this a blush? It's a blush. Right, some of these products as well, what might be in the bags might be slightly swatched, or he might have just like shown it for a video and swatched it. But some of them are brand new. But obviously he took them, some of them out of the packaging and slightly swatched them. I don't mind about that. It doesn't bother me. Kevin Aquan. I've never even owned a Kevin Aquan. Oh my God, that is stunning. It's like got a peachy tone and then a pink tone as well. But ooh, we've got some Real Technique brushes. So we have a spoolie brush and an eyeshadow brush. So from cream to powder, shadow and brow brush from Real Technique. Oh wow, I've got a little message from Danny himself. So it says, hi Tara, thank you for your amazing support. Love, Danny. Oh, I love you too, Danny. I don't know if you're going to be watching, but I love you too. My favourite brand, Beauty Bay. So this is the Beauty Bay Powder Blush. So this is one of their blushes. I already own one of their blushes. This is the one that I own. So, this is the one I've got from Danny. So it's basically brand new. This is mine. So I'll be putting this in my giveaway box for a future giveaway for you guys. We have some Ardell lashes. I absolutely love Ardell lashes. Oh my God, these are the magnetic ones. I haven't even tried the Ardell magnetic ones yet. So these are Mega Hold Lash and Liner from Ardell. So these are the magnetic ones. So I will be trying these out very, very soon. We have, oh my God. This is my first ever NARS product. Oh my God. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Oh my God, it's my first, guys, it's my first ever NARS product. That is stunning. A Revolution, the Lion King Shadow. How cute is that? I think these are fairly new as well, to be honest. I'm sure the Lion King from Revolution is quite new. Look at that orange, that blue. Oh, we've got to do some swatches. Right, I want to dip into this orange. Blue and that blue. Oh, I love Revolution shadows anyway, but oh my God, they're gorgeous. Okay. And I think this is the last product. Glow Recipe. Are you kidding me? I've been wanting to try this. Now, I think it was in the Molly May box or the Glossy box advent calendar. I had the tiniest little bit of this and it's the Watermelon Glow. This stuff is bloody gorgeous. If you haven't tried it, I would definitely recommend. I've been wanting to save up to get this. I'm so, so happy, so happy. So in this bundle, I've got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturiser. I've got a Lion King palette from Revolution, the Ardell Magnetic Lashes, a NARS lipstick, a Kevin Aquan blush, a Sigma loose highlight, some funky nail polish, Real Technique brushes, and a blush for you guys to put in the giveaway box. I am so happy with paying £50 for that because I think this alone is about £30 to £40. I am so, so happy. I will definitely be doing that again. Oh my God, that beauty bag was amazing. I would 100% get another one, definitely. I might save up a little bit and get the £120 one next time, or all three. But yeah, that was absolutely amazing. So if Danny does watch this video, I love you so much. I absolutely love those products and I'm beyond happy. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got from Beauty Bay. These I've been seeing all over the internet. I picked up the 3-9 palettes of the new palettes that have come out. So I picked up the 9 pan because I wanted all three. These palettes are all over Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. Oh my God, it looks so cute. It's the green one. Oh, my green fantasies are all coming out in this one, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's just swatch a few. So I'm not going to swatch all of them because I want to do a review on them, but we'll do this one, and this one. Oh my God. You know another green look's coming, right? You know another green is coming. Oh, the packaging. I just love Beauty Bay so, so much. They are amazing. Holy crap. They look amazing. Oh, I want to go straight into bubbles. Holy sweet shite. Gleam. Oh, put that all over my eyes. And sky. Guys, these are bloody gorgeous. Fucking hell. They are so pretty. That gleam. Woo. I want to put that all over my eyeballs. And then the last one is berries. So this one's the purple one. Oh, wow. How beautiful. So I'm gonna go into sofa. Oh my God, these are so buttery. I'm gonna go into fuchsia. Shut up. And I want to go into cloud. Oh my God, you guys. I'm so glad I picked up these palettes. I mean, you can hardly see that other one. Oh, it's because I didn't. Holy stop it. Look, come in with all of those palettes individually. That is literally sparked off my creative juices. They're just going wild right now. So, looking at my little collection, well, I say little. So, I think I'm pretty good set for a full face of first impression makeup. Will be coming on Sunday, so make sure you tune in on Sunday to see that. Oh my God, I will link Danny's channel down below. Go show him some love. He is absolutely gorgeous. I love him so much. And go and show Rosie Pink Rose some love as well. I'll put the other girl on screen and down below. I'll put her channel down below as well. Go show her some love. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick one for Wednesday, but oh my God, guys, am I over the moon. So like I said, all the money that Danny gets for these bags goes to charity. He picks a different charity every time he puts his bundles up. I'm not sure what charity this one is for, but I will link it down below if I find out what it is. But yeah, I am over the moon. So thank you to Danny and Chloe, who's his PR. Thank you so much for sending this over. I did obviously buy this with my own money, by the way, guys. But yeah, I am so beyond happy, really happy. So guys, until Sunday's video, I will love you and I will leave you. Bye.